Hello everyone, I want to do a quick show and share, I guess I will call this today. This is what I won from Jolie's Kit Club last month during a live. Kim actually made this during the live, and I chose this as my prize. I'm so happy to show this to you, and I apologize for taking a while to show it. I've had a lot going on. It got kind of busy and went in allergies today. Please forgive me, sniffling. So just look how gorgeous this is. This, I believe, is a kit that you can purchase from Jolie. I'm not exactly sure, but Kim made this during the live. It is so gorgeous. I love, love, love it. Love, love, love it. And they are a mixed media website, so please go over and check it out. They have some awesome kits. I won a kit as well. I won a gift card, and this is what I got with it. Oh, let's see. Here, I'll put that right there. So I already have stones, these kind of stones in my stash. I've purchased them, but I wanted you to see how cool that you can get a little bit of something really cool mixed media. Okay, so this, oh my gosh, I want to say this kit is from a couple of years ago. But I wanted you to see, because I did a project where I used some of these stones, and look, you can get this kit, and you get the stones, you get these gorgeous micro beads, these flowers came with it, and these, you can see they're Prima. Love, love, love Prima. And it came with this mirror, chipboard mirror. So this is what I will be covering with paper or something, and I'm going to have to do this project and show you guys. And then it came with white acrylic paint. So you get just the right amount in this kit to really do some fun mixed media. And this is acrylic paint also. Isn't this a great kit? And it was hard to choose. I mean, I wanted them all, but I could only get one. So there is a giveaway going on, you guys, and I want you to see that this is one of the kits that you could, I'm not sure what the giveaway is, but this is one of the kits that's available on their website. That's what I will say. So thank you so much, Kim, for my prize. It's fantastic, and oh my gosh, I love, love, love this. So beautiful, and it was really fun to watch her put it together. Oh my gosh. So head over to Jolie Kit Club and get in on the giveaways and on the mixed media action, because you can learn so much. These ladies are very talented, very crafty. Okay, thank you so much for watching. This is Denise Abate Smith, Treasures of a Crafty Mind, and this is my new treasure. Yay! Have a great day. See you next time. Bye.